get out of here. Look at all the cars. Did you guys have a good time?
It was a great day.
The whole town knows you had a good time. You had a good time?
Great day.
Good, good. So we're headed back now, drop the kids off. Then apparently some guy's coming to buy my sled tonight. I don't know, I've heard that about 30 times now from people on Kijiji. One guy actually showed up. The rest just gave me some family emergency excuse. Anyways, I was watching some videos and people are doing this thing where it's like, what happens if you press the start button while driving? And I'm like, you know what? I'm going to try neutral to drive wide open while driving and while stopped. What do you think will happen, Ty?
I have no idea.
Think we can drop the tranny out of this thing?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. I've done it in some old cars and usually it just clicks in gear, but I know with these new vehicles, they got all these safety mechanisms and stuff. I don't actually know what happens when you press. Yeah, nothing happens when you press that. Everyone just clickbaits the hell out of you though. So I'll just clickbait the hell out of people with this one. You want to try it? We'll try it. We'll get on the road and do it. You know, if we're gonna do it, we might as well like 100% fully do it. So I'll try one while moving, and then we'll try one stopped. See if we can rip the back end right out of it. Or we should turn around and go hit the mud pit.
Yeah, that'd be better.
Either way. Or we do both. Let's get out of here. Go neutral, wide open to drive. Yeah, nothing happens. There it goes. Bit of a delay. Oh, that was really exciting. Were you guys excited? Should we try it stopped now?
Time.
I'm gonna try it stopped.
At the stop sign.
Maybe I don't know if I want to do it here in case something does happen. And the tranny drops and hits the ground, and this guy behind us laughs. So I'm gonna try it. Where should I try it? I'm gonna turn around and go on this road, coming this way. Good, good. All right, we'll try it over here, in front of this guy's house, so we can put it in there if something does happen. I'm actually really interested to see what happens. Probably get a lot of hate comments if something does happen. What's our bets here? What do you think will happen?
Are we doing neutral to drive?
Neutral to drive, stopped.
Fully pinned?
Fully pinned. You
I
ready?
think it'll just kick. It'll kick us good.
I don't think it'll do anything, to the truth. Well, that was interesting. You want to try it?
I was getting excited.
Yeah, I know. I was almost like, well, look down here and do it so people actually know.
Nothing. You still have the foot on the pedal too?
Yeah, that was held wide open. I didn't take it off. Well, that was really exciting. Did you have fun?
Yeah, it was great.
One more time.
One more time? How about I just peel out of this corner wide open?
For the gram.
Oh, this guy's gonna go for it. You hear the turbo just spooling. Oh, sorry.
Child lock.
What happens if you shift from neutral to drive at 5,000 RPM? Clickbait, don't do it. All right, let's get home and see if we can sell the sled. Hashtag Kijiji, people. All right, just got back from Gopher. I hope you guys enjoyed the start of this video. See what happens when you hold it wide open in neutral and shift it to drive. I actually have never tried that before. And I don't know if anyone else has on YouTube, but I didn't look up any videos before. So I was kind of like, what's going to happen? And I was like 50-50. Either it's going to do a massive tranny drop and spin out of there, or it's just going to have a safety feature. I figured it has a safety feature. I mean, it's a 2018. It seems like these vehicles have all the safety features now. Anyways, yeah, there's some guy just messaged me. He said he's coming to buy the sled. So that is exciting, or at least look at it. Hopefully he buys it. I want to get rid of it. Other than that, Gopher was awesome. To all the new subscribers, thank you guys. Hey, how's it going? I'm Mark Freeman. I do crazy stuff. Try and do 7 videos a week. Not everything's going to be crazy interesting, but we'd like to do as much as we can. So yeah, thank you for subscribing and hitting the notifications button. The views have just been rolling in. I've got a bit of hate comments too. You know, people are like, oh, you're getting old, you should be stopping YouTube. It's like, why? YouTube still pays me a buttload. Why would I stop and get a normal 9-to-5 job? I love my job right now. Anyways, thank you guys again. You are amazing. And to the original OG subscribers, you guys are amazing as well. Yeah, so hopefully this week I can get some cars from the scrapyard. I got a ton of work to do. Weather's looking good for about 3 days, and then we're supposed to get a bit of rain. But yeah, I'm looking to get some more cars. I'm going to try and jump the Element again. It steers hard to the right now after it flipped, so maybe I can ratchet strap it down and try and make it steer somewhat straight so we can do something of a jump. And then, yeah, hopefully head to the scrapyard, pick up some more cars. And yes, hopefully the subscribers keep rolling in because I want to buy a side-by-side. I want to get a Maverick X3. So obviously everything costs money. I just bought this Platinum not too long ago in the winter, and I'd like to get a new dirt bike and more quads, but everything costs money, especially in Canada. If you aren't from Canada, everything is a lot more expensive here, especially gas and beer. If I didn't drink or drive if I didn't drink beer or drive a gas guzzling truck, I would have way more money. Because I think in the States I was paying 70 cents a liter after, the currency exchange and everything. And here it's $1.35 a liter right now, I believe. So very expensive. Anyways, I'm going to run inside, take all my stuff inside from the weekend, and then hopefully those guys show up and we'll get rid of the sled. Maybe we can take her for a quick brat. I think we got a buyer. This guy wants it. He wants to throw an E-Tech in it. He brought a trailer, so I wish I could throw an E-Tech in it. I might wait till next year, get an 18, and then throw an E-Tech in it. Well, we'll rock. It's quick, eh?
Oh yeah.
You should give it a bunch of just be peppy with it.
Yeah?
Try that, yeah. Let's see what the temp is. Oh yeah, you're good. Don't let it go over 900, 1,000. Can you take her for one last spin on the river? Oh yeah, he likes it. That thing is so much fun. If you guys ever get a chance to ride a race sled on snow, I definitely recommend it. Just a weapon. What a beauty day. Beauty day indeed. I wanted to make a few videos today because it's going to be a busy week. So glad we could get this one done. Need to throw that can back on. There she goes, the old 600 RS. Didn't think anyone was ever gonna buy it. I dealt with a lot of Kijiji people. Oh my God, Kijiji makes you want to pull your hair out. So many messages. People are like, I'm on my way, I'm coming, air kicking. Never hear from them again. Or I've heard so many excuses like family issues or my car died and now I have to buy another car. Or people get you so jacked up on Kijiji and then they just let you down. They give you the old tickle, they're like, nah. So, but this guy was pretty serious. He called me on Friday. He said, hey, come to get it. I said, well, I'm in Windsor, but Sunday I'll be home. And he said, all right, on my way. So took her for a quick spin on the lawn and she was good to go. Good to go, boys. So now it's so nice outside. I messaged a guy about taking out his Lamborghini, but he's busy, so hopefully next week. It's always hopefully next week. We'll get her dialed in soon. He's got 2 Lambos and a Ferrari, so we're gonna rip those, shred them, do some cool stuff, make some videos. So yeah, it's all about making videos, guys. So thank you again. You guys are amazing. I am gonna head up, edit these videos. I'm probably gonna go film Toby Tuesday because I have a busy week coming up. So Brad's got his boat out. We're gonna rip some wakeboarding. I got my Rockstar wakeboard over there. The old safe. Don't worry, there's nothing in that safe. If there was, I would let you guys know. That's just the garage safe. It's actually my brother's safe. I don't even know why it's here. I think it's a gun safe, but he doesn't have any guns here. So anyways, yeah, thank you guys. Make sure you leave lots of comments. Thank you to all the new subscribers. You guys are amazing. The OGs, you guys are amazing as well. If you have any suggestions for videos, make sure to leave a comment. If you have anything funny to say, like make fun of me, leave a comment. If you like the merch we have and all that fun stuff, there's tons of discounts and links below if you guys want anything. TEAMLTD, Rockstar, 2 under, we got it all, and there's all discounts if you guys like that stuff. So thank you guys again. I'm out of here. Time to go back to work. Well, I never stop working, but all right, we'll see you guys later. Have a great day.